The following picture is an blank, which shows feeding relationships within a community. It also shows the transfer of energy from its source in plants through herbivores to carnivores. It is an ecological pyramid, a food web, or a food chain. Question 12. Who are some stakeholders in the discussion regarding the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park? Remember, a stakeholder is a person who has a concern about a particular issue. You may wish to use the following sentence stems. In the discussion regarding the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park, one stakeholder is they think the wolves should not be reintroduced. A second stakeholder is they think the wolves should or should not be reintroduced. A third stakeholder is blank. They think the wolves should or should not be reintroduced. Question 13. Predator-prey graph. Isle Royale National Park on a remote island was established in 1940 and designated a wilderness area in 1976. The only mode of transportation available is by boat or seaplane. Moose first arrived at Isle Royale around 1900. The moose population tends to increase in years with mild winters, early spring green-up, abundant winter forage, low wolf numbers, and low levels of tick infestation. Wolves first arrived at the island on an ice bridge from Canada in 1940. Disease has also influenced the wolf population. Between 1980 and 1982, the wolf population declined from 50 to 14 due to canine parvovirus. That's a type of virus that wolves often get, and dogs as well. When was the moose population the greatest? Which year? And what was the wolf population at this time? So there's two questions you need to answer here. We need to see when was the moose population the greatest. The moose are the pink line. And then so you're just going to look at the graph and see where that population was the highest. And what year was this? And what was the wolf population at the same time that the moose was the greatest? Question 14. Is Yellowstone better off with wolves in it? Provide two pieces of evidence from the film to support your answer. Remember the short video we watched in class on the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park? And we answered a Pear Deck question on this. You may use the following sentence stems. Yellowstone is or is not better off with wolves. One piece of evidence to support my claim is, a second piece of evidence to support my claim is, overall, ... Question 15. After examining moose poo on Isle Royale, scientists found that moose preferred which of the following foods in their diet? Select the best choice. Did the moose prefer only cedar? Did they prefer only balsam fir? Did they prefer only twigs from deciduous trees? Did they prefer to eat only chicken nuggets? Or did they prefer both cedar and balsam fir? Remember the graphs we looked at. Prairie dogs will only reach their carrying capacity if there is plenty of water. There are limiting factors. There are predators nearby.